What's up, guys?
Bruh.
Today, we're just gonna be talking about the new update that I think sucks. The only thing that's good is the cape. What's this little goofy monkey doing over here, huh? That's just some random kids I found. Oh, what the hell? Where do you come from? Is that statue?
Hello, I'm Barney VR. Please subscribe to my YouTube.
No.
Nice. Guys,
This
subscribe to
one.
mine. Subscribe to mine instead.
Don't even get
Subscribe to mine instead. Mine's better. Okay, so we're just gonna be talking about the update. Yeah. First of all, this is just like the birthday update. You can pick stupid balloons out of this that I don't like, and if I'm bucking out, that's my tracking that doesn't work. This is like a cool thing. And the balloon shit also works over this thing. This is just gonna be stuff you missed. See, you can pick.
And you can sing.
You can pick it. No, the microphone doesn't work.
Stupid.
And you probably didn't realize that in mountains there's actually a new bouncy game mode in here. Yeah, an obstacle course. There's not a lot of people that know that, but like, I don't know why. Like, bro, this is easy. No, wait, no. Woo! And there's a bell that you can tap.
What the heck?
I won!
That's why he's the GOAT!
And whatever that is. Yeah, bro, what is that? Let's go check it out. And yeah, the pillars, also they removed the pink from the slide, which is not great. So let's just. God damn, I'm flying. This is my tracking because I slammed my controllers too hard together. And no. So yeah, I don't think I'm a good content creator. I suck. Oh my god, bro. No! Why? Dude, this is why I can't make Gorilla Tag videos. Because my tracking doesn't work! Like, bro, I can't even walk up the stairs without falling off because my tracking is glitching out because I hit my controllers too hard. Bro, please tell me I can. No! Oh, wait. Please. Yep. Okay, so just. Bro, that jump scared the flip out of me. First of all, that. Beep. Like, bro, bro, what did he say? Beep. Don't fall off. Don't. What am I saying? I've played Gorilla Tag for 3 years. Don't hate, please. Don't hate. I don't need hate. Let's just complete this. I don't even think you realize this is in the new update. Can you just Woo! Oh! Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's little holes. I jump scared you. Is it made to go? Wait, let me just kill Lemming's mind. Nope. Okay, come on. Nope. No, bro. I don't think it's made like this. No, it's slippery, bro. Oh, I need to wall run. Weep. I'm alone. Yeah, these ones, you can pick them up too. And you can do that with them also. And you probably didn't know, if you find Doc and Matt the Bat, they got the ugly ass. Yeah, they got, let's just say they got a cool haircut, okay? Let's just say they're rockers. Let's just say, yeah. Anyways, I'm Danish. That's, yeah, if you was wondering. Where's Doug? Well, I kind of need him right now, so. Oh shit. Since Doug is not here, we're gonna find Matt the Bat. Oh, so let's just get Matt the Bat out here, I guess. Wait, did caves actually change? Oh, yeah, these. I don't know what that is. I think, yeah, the crystals also got another texture. And there's also, yep. See, that one's blue. I don't think it's supposed. I hear Matt. He's always moving. There he is. Oh, bro, Matt is actually looking cool. Yo, what? Yo, look at him. Look at Matt. Damn, bro, that looks sick on Matt. Like, bro, look at him. He's cool. This looks like customized. This doesn't even look real. Die. Okay, whoa. Okay, what the hell was that? VMT mode. Look at me, I VMT. I'm screaming. Why? Yes. Bro, I'm VMT Junior. Oh, I'm VMT Junior. J-Man Junior. J-Man shows feet picture. Nope. Oh, hap. Is Duck here? Yes, he is. Yeah, Matt the Bat was a bit cooler though. Yeah, he was. He definitely was. You didn't see anything. You did not see anything. Why? Yeah. But yeah, I got yeah. So yeah, that was actually it for the video. And I'm just gonna do the outro out here because I don't have camera mod. But yeah, like and subscribe to do me a favor. I will be very, very, very respectful for that. This is one of my first Gorilla Tag videos. I've made one music video. Go check that out. It's called Spirit Walker by 0099VR. So yeah, goodbye guys.